What if, tomorrow morning, you woke up and the sun wasn't the sun anymore? Imagine pulling back your curtains and staring at the sky, only to realize that glowing sphere of life has been replaced by something else, something alien, monstrous, and unrecognizable. A black hole? A frozen rock? A giant alien star blazing 100 times brighter than daylight? How long would we survive? Or would we even survive at all? The sun is more than just a ball of fire in our sky. It's the delicate heart monitor of our planet, the perfect cosmic engine that keeps Earth warm, stable, and alive. Swap it for anything else in the universe, and suddenly everything we take for granted, oceans, atmosphere, even the ground under our feet, changes in ways too terrifying to imagine. So let's play the ultimate cosmic game. What if our sun was replaced by... Let's start small. Picture this. Instead of the sun, Earth now orbits around a neutron star, the dense, collapsed corpse of a massive star. From far away, it might look like a harmless little ball, just a few kilometers wide. But don't be fooled. A neutron star is the universe's most dangerous magnet, a spinning monster that whips around several times a second, shooting beams of deadly radiation across space like a cosmic lighthouse. If our sun were swapped with one, Earth's atmosphere would be shredded instantly. The oceans would boil away under a storm of X-rays and gamma rays. Life? Gone in the blink of an eye. Okay, too extreme? Let's try the opposite. What if our sun was replaced by a brown dwarf, the so-called failed star? These objects don't burn bright like stars. They're more like oversized, sulking gas giants, glowing faintly with leftover heat. In that case, Earth would be plunged into an endless twilight. Temperatures would crash far below freezing. Our blue planet would become a frozen wasteland, and humanity's last hope would be building underground cities powered by artificial heat. The sun gives us comfort, but a brown dwarf would give us a death sentence of eternal winter. Now let's crank the nightmare up again. Imagine swapping our sun with a red giant star, the kind our own sun will eventually become in billions of years. Instead of a cozy, warm glow in the sky, we'd see a swollen, bloated star stretching across the horizon, burning so hot and so wide that it swallows Mercury and Venus whole, and then keeps expanding. Earth's surface would roast into a desert inferno. Our atmosphere would evaporate, oceans would hiss into steam, and life would be roasted to ash. For a short while, it would be the brightest, most spectacular sight we'd ever see, right before we were vaporized. Or, what if the sun vanished and was replaced by something even stranger, a black hole? Don't panic yet. If it were the same mass as the sun, Earth wouldn't suddenly get sucked in like Hollywood loves to show. Gravity would stay the same, and we'd keep orbiting just fine. But without light, the world would instantly be plunged into eternal darkness. Temperatures would plummet, plants would die without sunlight, and Earth would turn into an ice-covered graveyard. The only sign of our new star would be the eerie bending of starlight around the black hole's invisible edges, a terrifying reminder that the sun we once knew is gone forever. Still not wild enough? Imagine if our sun were swapped with something truly cosmic, a supermassive black hole like the one at the center of our galaxy. Millions of times heavier than our sun, its gravity would rip Earth's orbit to shreds in seconds. We wouldn't even have time to scream before being torn apart by tidal forces. One instant Earth is whole, the next, it's spaghetti, pulled into the abyss. And here's the real kicker. The sun is shockingly perfect. Out of the billions of objects floating in space, stars, dead stars, black holes, frozen dwarfs, our sun just happens to be the one that provides the exact balance of light, heat, and stability we need to exist. Swap it for almost anything else, and life as we know it wouldn't stand a chance. So maybe, the next time you step outside and squint at that golden disk in the sky, remember, it's not just our sun, It's our lifeline. And in the grand lottery of the universe, it's the jackpot that allows Earth to thrive. Because in almost every other scenario, we wouldn't even be here to wonder.